that was very early on in my life to get that. And I think I was quite lucky to really kind of see the benefit of counseling and of sharing these things and being given advice and tools and guidance by professionals on how to, you know, how to deal with the stresses of life. So yeah, there was a lot that came out of all of those group therapy sessions that I still apply today. But I've probably altered my kind of maintenance of my own mental health as well as I've grown older, and there is more resource now. You know, there's more understanding around exercise, there's more understanding around, you know, you can do much more personal mindfulness plans. And just, I guess the biggest thing that I would say that I've recognized just that talking about it and being open about it is the hardest thing to do, and that, you know, I carry that with me, that's the importance of that is huge.